Hello everyone, I am Ravi Umraniya. I have recently completed my certified public accountant. I have started my journey of CPA after MBA by joining Navkar. Navkar has been very supportive from starting till I cleared all the four subjects. Because of Navkar, I am placed at MBAF, which is a leading CPA firm. I would like to thank Hitesh sir and Urvish sir for providing me a platform to guide me whenever I encountered a problem. I would like to thanks to all the faculties who taught me the concepts from the scratch, because of which I am able to understand typical concepts in easy manner. Faculties have made learning very interesting. I would also like to thanks Mayur sir, which has always been supportive in providing procedural support. At last, I am thankful to Navkar Placement Services, which helped me to get a job during this pandemic. The CPA journey would have been tough without Navkar's support.